All right, chapter 3.1. The first thing we have to pay attention to is this definition, which says we want to take the limit as h goes to 0 of the difference quotient, which is something you've seen before. But now we're attaching a name to that thing, and the name we're going to call it is the slope of the tangent line. And the symbol we're going to use is f prime of a. Okay. Rather than do any pictures or anything like this, let's just do the calculation one time. Again, though, the keys that you're looking out for are tangent line, the slope of the tangent line, and then they have to tell you where you want to find the slope of the tangent line.
Yeah.
And in this example, they're actually kind of leaving it abstract. They're saying a comma f of a.
Exactly.
Okay. So, all right, let's do the calculation. First things first, we have to actually plug a plus h into f, and so that'll amount to 5 times a plus h squared minus 4 times a plus h. All I did was I plugged in a plus h for x, so I'll make a note of that right there. This thing is f of a plus h. Okay, subtract. I like to bracket off this whole business. This is going to be f of a, which is just 5a squared minus 4a. And I'll put a little note right there. This is f of a. All right? And, of course, the denominator is h. Now, the goal is to sort of do all our algebra, and in the end, we want to cancel the h on the denominator. So I'm going to do this kind of quickly. A squared plus 2ah plus h squared. That is what I get when I expand this thing. Now I'm subtracting 4a, and I'm subtracting 4h. And then I'm subtracting 5a squared, but then I'm adding 4a. According to distributing this negative across this bracket. I've got to carry down the limit symbol because I haven't actually taken the limit yet, and of course I didn't do anything with the denominator. Now, cancels. Let's distribute 5a squared plus 10ah plus 5h squared minus 4h minus 5a squared. All of that over h. Of course, we still have to write limit because we haven't actually taken the limit yet.
Exactly.
5a squared and negative 5a squared
Cancel.
go away. And we can see that we can factor in h out of what's left. So we'll have h times
10a plus, plus 5h minus 4.
Okay. And then, of course, down here we'll have the h left over. Those are going to cancel.
And now you can plug in 0.
Right. And we'll get
10a minus 4.
10a minus 4. Okay. As a reminder, that is what you do when you are asked to find the slope of the tangent line at a particular place. Okay? So, straightforward. We'll end this video. Start a new one.